Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we will learn how to change Upwork profile from private to public in easy steps. Please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Upwork will change your freelance profile from public to private if 1. You're an established freelancer and don't earn money on Upwork for a period of 2 years or more. 2. You're a new freelancer and don't earn money on Upwork within 90 days of your first proposal, or you choose not to submit a proposal within your first 90 days. Open Upwork website and log in your account. This account is also changed to private by Upwork due to not bidding on any project from long time. As we can see on this account, we cannot turn on availability badge because the profile is set to private. Let's start the process to make this profile to public. Click on Help icon on top right menu, which is displaying as question mark, then select Help and Support option. In Support page, you can find many helpful material related to your account, projects, bidding and many more. But we are here to change our account visibility. Scroll down a little bit and click on Reset Profile Visibility. Pop-up message will appear with the message "We received your request and we are working on it." We sent you an email to confirm and will email you again when your profile is public, which might take up to 4 hours. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We have exciting content coming up. If you find this video helpful, consider sharing it with your friends as well. As you know, sharing is caring. An email will be received as well with message "Thank you for reaching out." We aim to reset your profile visibility within 4 hours of your request. If you've submitted a request to have your profile visibility reset, your visibility hasn't yet reset, and it's been more than 4 hours since your request. You are done with the process, now just wait for a few hours. Check your profile after few hours and it will be changed to public. I am pausing the recording now. We'll share the status of this account after a few hours. Here you go. The status of this account is changed to public. Now you can turn on the availability badge, boost your profile as per your need. Thanks for watching, and if you have any question, thought or feedback, please share them in the comments section.